Ganda ang lolo.
What?
Be safe and warm.
Very good. You're next. Dear Lolo.
Dear Lolo and Lola, I hope you have a very safe trip.
Very good. You're next, LJ. Beat that, LJ. Don't turn around. Malipong ka. Dear.
Dear Lolo Lolo Ganda.
Saan ako tabi? Sila ko na. Video po.
Sige.
Huh? I don't know.
Again, you say what you feel in your heart. Dear Lolo.
Dear Lolo.
Ay, sige, tuyog ba kayo? Malipong ka ba?
Dear Lola. Don't be eaten.
Ha?
Don't be eaten. But
Don't be?
eaten by Chucky.
What do you mean?
My doggy.
What does she mean, daw?
Our doggy.
Sa balay mo.
Yeah, what does it got to do with Lolo? Why did...
Bite.
Oh, don't let the dogs bite. Because Lolo might get rabies in the Philippines. They're not strict dogs, LJ. They're not gonna have pets. Your turn, Monmon. Dear Lola Lola.
Dear Lolo and Lola. Good day for you guys.
In the Philippines?
Yes.
You're next. Dear Lolo and Lola Ganda. Sige na.
Dear Lolo and Lolo Ganda. I hope. Can you write the same thing like mine? Just write I hope you sing a song. And
I hope you sing a song.
Okay.
Lolo will sing a song all the time when he's bored.
Dear Lolo and Lola Ganda.
Something about Lolo's health.
I hope you eat well.
Very good. That's a good one. You're next.
Daddy, cute.
Something about Lolo's health, like he doesn't get yayay or something. Okay.
Can you write Oji's name up
Dear.
here? And then just write the Lolo, don't be sick.
Don't be sick.
I just said
So
that.
what is
I
he?
said that.
Shh, what is he supposed to do so he doesn't get sick?
Can you please write?
Ganda. Lola and Lolo.
Don't get blood.
Don't get blood. Don't get yayay. Okay.
Don't get blood.
That's right. Don't get blood. Don't get yayay. Come on, your turn.
Lola.
That's enough na lang. 23 more seconds. What else can you say, LJ?
Me.
Your turn.
Me.
Sige.
Dear Lolo, Lolo Ganda.
What?
Mas damo ang makargata or
I love you.
That's the last one.